Kim Kardashian gets paid over $1 million for one Instagram post. Meanwhile, there's an influencer named Aitana Lopez pulling in real money every month. And she doesn't exist, all right? She's completely AI generated. Brands are catching on fast, and there's a window here for normal people to make money. Let me show you the realistic ways and cut through the hype while I'm at it. So what's happening here? Let me set the scene quickly. AI influencers are digital personas, synthetic faces, generated content, no real person on camera. Aitana Lopez is the famous one. A Barcelona agency built her, and she's landed deals already with brands like Victoria's Secret and Olaplex. But here's where I have to be honest with you, because the hype videos won't be. You'll hear she makes $11,000 a month. That number is real, but it's the ceiling. It's not the average. Her creators say that she earns up to $10,000 in a big month, but the average is closer to $3,000. It's still great for a fake person, don't get me wrong, but it's just not the every month jackpot you've been sold. But the bigger picture is genuinely huge. Influencer marketing is a $32 billion industry. 6 in 10 marketers already use AI in their campaigns, and 1 in 3 Gen Z shoppers have bought something based on an AI influencer recommendation. So this is real, all right? It's growing fast, and we're early. So let me show you where you can actually fit in, because the building the next Aitana isn't the only way, and honestly, it's not the easiest one. Way number 1 is, well, this is the fastest way in, and it needs no audience at all. UGC means user-generated content. Those casual person talking to camera videos brands use to sell products, well, normally a brand hires a real creator to film them. Now you can generate them with AI. You pick an AI avatar, you give it a script, and it delivers the message. Talking, realistic mouth movements, the whole thing. Now, you don't have to film yourself, you don't have to be on camera, and here's the most beginner-friendly use. TikTok Shop affiliate products. You make short AI videos promoting a product, you post them, and you earn commission when people buy through your link. People with zero experience have made their first commissions within a week of starting. And the tools have gotten good. You choose an avatar that fits the product, fitness gear, skincare, whatever, and even match the settings so it blends with the brand. But here's the honest catch, and it matters. The market is flooding with lazy AI UGC. Most of it is garbage because people churn it out without thought. The ones making real money treat it like actual marketing. Good hooks, real understanding of the product, and genuinely engaging scripts. Now, the tool does the filming, all right? So you don't have to care about that. But your job is to make content people actually want to watch. That's the part that separates the people earning from the people posting into the void, right? Now, way number 2 is to have an AI video ad agency. And this is where the serious money income is. And it's the most realistic path to real money for most people. And here's the setup. E-commerce brands, they spend thousands every month making video ads. They hire models, they book studios, they pay videographers, they do reshoots, and for one ad, that's hundreds or thousands of dollars and a week or 2 of waiting. And here's the thing about running ads. You can't just make one. You have to test many versions to find what works. So that cost multiplies fast, right? AI flips this completely. You can generate 20 or 30 different versions of an ad in a single day. Different avatars, different scripts, different settings, no models, no studio, no logistics. The tool costs a fraction of one traditional shoot, such as Higgsfield here, for example. So the opportunity for you is to become an AI ad agency. You make these ads for brands and you charge the service. There are people doing exactly this, making 6 figures a month, and here's why brands say yes. They don't care if the ad is AI or not. They care about one thing. Does it convert? And when you can test 50 variations instead of 3, you find the winning ad way faster. You're not a cost to them. You're saving them money and making their ads work better. So how to actually start with this? Well, first of all, pick a niche you understand. whether it's beauty, fitness, supplements, whatever you want, or whatever you know about. 2, just find brands already running ads. Go to the Facebook ad library and you can see exactly who's advertising. Don't waste time convincing someone to advertise. Find the ones already doing it. And 3, make a few sample AI ads for one of those brands and send them over. Show them what they say. Now, the key here is focus. Master one niche, build a couple of videos, and then expand. Don't try to serve everyone on day one. And on pricing, you don't need to overthink it at the start. Charge a brand a monthly fee to produce a batch of ad creatives, or charge per set of videos. Even a few hundred to 1,000 a month per client adds up fast once you've got 3 or 4. Your costs are basically one AI tool subscription, so the margins are strong. Land a handful of clients in one niche, and you've built a real business out of this. Now, way number 3, well, this is the Aitana route. Building your own AI influencer from scratch. Now, I'm putting it last on purpose because it's the slowest and hardest, but the ceiling is the highest. You create a persona, you give it a real backstory and personality, and grow it on Instagram or TikTok. The accounts that succeed make money through brand deals and often through exclusive content on platforms like FanView or Patreon, and the top ones pull serious monthly income. But let me be straight about it. The famous AI influencers aren't one person with a tool. Aitana has a team of 11 people behind her. So building an audience from zero is genuinely hard, whether the face is real or AI, and this is not a get-rich-quick play. What makes it work is the same thing that makes any creator work: consistency and a persona people actually connect with. People follow personalities, not faceless accounts. If you can create that connection, the money follows, but it takes months, and most attempts don't make it. If you've got patience and you treat it like a real brand, the upside is real. Just go in knowing it's a marathon, not a weekend project. One smart twist: if you're already a creator, you can use this to clone yourself. So, instead of filming every video, you build an AI version of yourself to deliver content while you stay the mind behind it. Now, that lets you post more often or even run separate channels for separate topics without confusing one audience. You stay in control, the AI just handles delivery. So let me pull this together honestly. The AI influencer market is real and growing toward like $38 billion by 2030. That part isn't hype, but the path matters. If you want money soon, AI UGC for TikTok Shop is the fastest start, and the ad agency model is the most realistic route to serious income, because you're solving a real expensive problem for brands that already have budgets. Now, building your own Aitana is the dream, but it's the long game, and most people underestimate how hard audience building is. And across all of them, one rule holds: AI does the production. It doesn't do the thinking. The people winning here are the ones putting real effort into quality. Because the internet is already drowning in lazy AI content, you should be the operator who actually cares, and you will stand out fast. So yeah, honestly, we're early on this. The tools are here, they're cheap, and they get better every week. Pick the path that fits where you are. Just start small. Focus on quality. The opportunity is real. Just go in with your eyes open. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you on the next one.